Welcome to AJ Tech. So today we'll be learning how to disable control panel through Intune. So go to devices, go to configuration, click on create new policy, set the platform Windows 10 or later, and profile type set it to settings catalog, click on create, disable control panel, and click on add settings, search for control panel, click on administrative rate control panel, click on this one, private access control panel, and click on enable, click on next, and assign the concern group, click on next, and create. And after that, we will check on the client PC. In client PC, when we try to open control panel, we'll be getting this error message that it has been blocked by your administrator.